Result: John, a passionate classic car enthusiast, arrived early at the designated meeting spot, excitement bubbling within him as he anticipated seeing a piece of automotive history. He was warmly greeted by Lee Sibben, the son of the late owner, who ushered him into the garage. Inside, several cars were draped in protective covers, but the centerpiece of the day was undeniably the Mercedes-Benz 1901 KV, the family's cherished first car. Lee Sibben began to share the story behind the car, explaining how his parents, starting from humble beginnings, saved diligently to purchase it for $32,000 in the late 1980s. At that time, they were among the last in their village to own a vehicle, making it a powerful symbol of their perseverance and love. The car had been their loyal companion, taking them on countless family outings and adventures. When Mrs. Bason's husband passed away, the odometer stopped at 100,500 miles, marking a poignant end to an era. Now, the family was ready to pass the car on to new owners who would appreciate its rich history and continue its journey. Before unveiling the star of the day, John had to maneuver a 1990 Audi coupe out of the way. The Audi, another relic of the past, started effortlessly, allowing them to clear the space needed. As John carefully peeled back the protective cover, the Mercedes-Benz 1901 emerged, showcasing its timeless beauty. Originally, this model was designed by Mercedes-Benz to compete with the BMW M3, which dominated European motorsports during the 1980s. The engineers crafted a powerful engine to rival BMW's performance, igniting a fierce competition among Germany's luxury automakers. The 1901's boxy, rugged design was distinctive, featuring unique taillights that set it apart from the modern streamlined styles. Despite its years in storage, the car remained in remarkable condition. The only visible flaws were a layer of dust on the front bumper and some minor paint oxidation, clear signs of its careful preservation over the years. John opened the trunk and was delighted to discover a treasure trove of original Mercedes 1901 accessories, including a rare rearview mirror with an unconventional, dual-size design. Inside the cabin, the leather seats and dashboard controls exhibited minimal wear, a remarkable feat for a car from 1989. The true test awaited them under the hood. Mercedes-Benz had incorporated hydraulic struts during this era, and the engine bay appeared pristine, as if it had been frozen in time. The only issue was a cracked hood heat shield, a minor flaw considering the car's age. Eager to revive the dormant engine, John and Lee Sibben carefully checked the oil and fuel systems. Their first attempt to start the engine failed, likely due to stale fuel. After some troubleshooting, which included testing the fuel pump with a makeshift fuel bottle, the engine finally roared to life with a quick spray of fresh gasoline. Although it ran smoothly, a faint trail of smoke hinted at some internal wear, indicating future maintenance would be necessary. Before presenting the car to potential buyers, John and Lee Sibben meticulously washed it, removing years of accumulated dust. As the high-pressure water rinsed away the foam, the Mercedes-Benz 1901 gleamed once again, its timeless design shining through. Lee Sibben then handed over all the original documentation, including the owner's manual and purchase records. The $32,000 price tag from 1989 was at a fortune cost back then, signifying a luxury status symbol. Mrs. Bason's wish was simple. She wanted this car, which had carried so much love and countless memories, to find a new couple who would cherish it as she and her husband had. In today's world, where classic cars are highly sought-after collectibles, this Mercedes-Benz 1901 transcended being just a vehicle. It was a symbol of enduring love and automotive history. With John's connections in the classic car community, it wouldn't be long before this 1989 masterpiece found its next caretakers, ready to embark on a new chapter in its storied life.